So you can change the flow rate to tweak the flow rate if you're having problems with too much stuff coming out of the nozzle or not enough filament coming out of the nozzle. You can tweak that real time by going to the tune menu and adjusting all sorts of things here while it's printing. So I'm gonna flow factor. I guess that's what it is. Flow factor? Probably what it is. Oh yeah, there it is. So that's your flow. That is the flow rate. Or in other words, it's also called extrusion multiplier if you go in the Connect software under the filament menu. So it's called that as well. It's the same thing. So we can tweak it by going in here and changing the value as it's printing to see if your print improves. So that's one way you can troubleshoot your flow and how much is coming out of the nozzle to see if you can resolve some issues.